Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Here in this video, I will be doing an unboxing and reviewing on the Spooky Season collection from Belle's Beauty Supply, and I'm really excited to be unboxing it here. And as you can see, I am covering my address with this paper, so just ignore it because it's somebody's sizing for the press-on, so just ignore that. But if you're new to my channel, my name is Jess, and it's those types of no videos. Like I said here in this video, we will be unboxing and reviewing the collection. And also, if you're new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe, do not forget to turn on the bell so that way you get notified every time I upload. As well, do not forget to check out the description for any of my social media. Make sure to go follow me on Instagram, make sure to go follow me on TikTok, make sure to go show some love on there and go follow me. And let's get on with unboxing this collection. So I will also be using my gold vintage scissors to unbox it, so let's get on to unboxing it.
I ain't pray for these baguettes, I pray for better days. I ain't pray for that new vet, I'd rather have.
Also, I will make sure to link them down below, so make sure to use my code so that you guys could go ahead and save some money. So just to talk about a little bit about her packaging, this is what it looks like. So she did include some stickers, and then here it says thank you for supporting my small business. This is what it looks like all around. It's just a black box, as you could see. So let's get on to unboxing. So as you could see, here is what's inside. Oh my god, y'all, look at the, once you open it, this is what it looks like. So I'm really excited to be showing you guys what is in here. So to start off, she did send some extra goodies, as you could see, but I think for the most part this is the actual collection. So let's see, I see a little note here, so I'm really excited. Okay, so she is so cute. So it says, thanks gorgeous, thank you for supporting my small business, which is so cute. And then she did write a message in the back, which shout out to her if you're watching this, girl. But also I do want to mention that her collection did already launch, so make sure to go check it out if you guys haven't. I will make sure to link down below everything, so make sure to go check that out and make sure to use my code so that you guys could go ahead and save some money. And then here she did write down 2 random spooky freebies that will be added to every order placed in October. So y'all heard it here first. Make sure to go place your order and you will receive some freebies, which who doesn't like freebies? Because girl, I'm all about it. So just to show you guys real quick, so she did include some extra stuff. So just to show you guys real quick, she did include some note tips. So here we have set number 5, 6, and 7 because I was running low. And then, oh my god, y'all, I spotted these and I wanted them so bad. So she was kind enough to send them. So these are the Evil Eye females, which, girl, you need these in your life. Look how cute these are. You can encapsulate these and do all types of things with these. So I'm definitely going to be creating a set with these. Make sure to stay tuned for that because look how cute. I've never seen them anywhere else, so make sure to go get your hands on them. And then here she did include these little like stars, not like stars, but I'm pretty sure you guys have seen these. Look how cute, and I'm pretty sure they glow in the dark, so I'm really excited. Which, speaking of, oh my god, do y'all see that? And I just turned off my ring light and look how much they glow in the dark. And also look what else glows in the dark. So super excited. I know a couple of videos ago I have been getting some glow in the dark stuff, and I forget to show you guys what they glow in the dark, but these are those little stars. You definitely need your hands on those as well. And then here, like I said, she did include some little freebies. So let's see what she included. Again, just to show you guys again what she said. Here she wrote it down, so just so that you could see. And she did include some little extra stickers, which these are super cute. Look at the ghost. So this one has ghosts, spiders, pumpkins, bats. I'm not sure if everything's gonna be the same, but just to show you guys here what I got. Here we have like owls, some little cats, some little like witches and owls and spiders, spider webs, which these are super cute. Cannot wait to use these, especially Halloween is right around the corner, so you definitely have to make sure to go get your hand on this collection because I'm already loving it. And here she did include, ooh, look at that, a pumpkin pie cuticle oil, which I cannot wait to smell this. And as you could see inside the little cuticle oil pen, There's some like little fall leaves, which is so cute. I cannot wait to smell this. And then she did include some more goodies here in this little baggie. So she included some little charms, some more little charms, and this is a little glitter, which look how cute. So just to show you guys real quick what everything looks like. So this is that little glitter. So it's like little glitter dots, as you could see, which are in this like orange gold color, which is so cute. If you look at that. Here next we have some charms. So look at these are so cute. So these are kind of like some little candies, which, oh my god, so cute. Look at that. And they do come in this gold color again, which looks super cute. They're like little candy pieces, which is perfect. And then this next little charm, I want to say these are like little, oh, these are little golds. These are so cute. Look at that. Super cute, as you could see. So you guys definitely need to make sure to go get your order in ASAP. As soon as you guys see this video, you guys need to get your order in, so that way you guys could get everything in for the holidays that's coming up. Halloween is right around the corner, so you guys need to make sure to go get your hands on this. And then here I do see a acrylic, so we are going to open it.
He's raising all these kids to start up my starter kit.
I feel like a kid in the candy store. This is all so cute. I love the packaging. So this is the pumpkin spice spooky glow collection, and again, this is in pumpkin spice, so I will be swatching this for you guys. And then here she just included some little confetti, which is so cute. And then obviously she did include bubble wrap at the bottom, so that way you guys packages could be nicely packaged. And here she did put this on the thing, which this is, oh, it's tape. I thought it was a sticker, which I'm pretty sure it is. Look how cute this one is. This one's a pumpkin, and then this one says Happy Halloween, which are super cute. I'm pretty sure these are stickers. I want to say they are. I'm not too sure, but I'm pretty sure they are. And then she just put tape, which is so smart, which I love. Super cute. But then here it says thank you, and then her logo. And she did include some stickers, so I will be showing you guys what these look like. So to show you guys what we got, as you can see, we got quite a bit of stickers. So to start off, here we have this one. This one is in a white font, and this one has like all these little faces, which are so cute, especially right now. If you guys for like Halloween, for like a pumpkin nail set would be super cute. It says Happy Halloween. There's like pumpkins, trick or treat, the little cat, boo. These are super cute. I cannot wait to use these. Here we have this one, which this one's good to have as well. This one has like crosses, has a spider web, it has like trick or treat, pumpkins, bats, little like border. It says Halloween. It has more crosses, and it also does have like moons and stuff, and those, which are super cute. Here next we have this other one. This one has like ghosts. It has the hands. It has like more sayings, like a little fence, little more ghosts, bats, which this one's super cute. The little trio of ghosts, which is super cute. It has like boo, the more faces. It has like the little white drip. And again, girl, these glow in the dark, which, can we just talk about how these three glow in the dark, which are a must. They do come in the collection, so I definitely suggest to go get your hands on them. Look how much they glow. Like, girl, look at that. Bomb. So again, these three white ones glow. And then last but not least, here we have this one, which has bats, which is super cute, which I cannot wait to use. I will definitely be using these, so definitely stay tuned for that. And these are all the stickers that we got. So now we will be swatching the acrylic. So again, this is the acrylic. So this is the pumpkin spice spooky glow collection acrylic, as you could see. And this is what it looks like. So it is like orange glitter. So I will be swatching it for you guys. And this is what it looks like. It looks super pretty, as you could see. So here we go, swatching it. I am using my number 12 brush, and I will make sure to link down below all the products that I use here in this video, so make sure to go check out the description if you guys haven't already, and make sure to use my code so that you guys could go ahead and save some money. So here is what this one looks like, and Look at that. That looks so pretty. This looks perfect right now for Halloween. It has that like AB tone to it, and it's so pretty. Look how nicely and buttery it is, and it does have that really pretty orange color to it, as you could see. And here you could see the glitters of it. I will be swatching it again real quick, and look at that. This looks amazing, and it looks so pretty. So this is what it looks like, as you could see, nicely swatched with those beautiful AB tones to it. A little close-up. So pretty. Look how pretty. So it does have that orange look to it, and it does have like an AB glitter to it with fine pieces, as you could see. So that's what that looks like. And also, like I did mention, this does glow in the dark, so this is what it looks like. As you could see, obviously you do see the other things, but this is for the most part what the acrylic looks like. It does glow like orangey green color, so super pretty. Again, what it looks like. And also, if you guys didn't notice, this glitter also does glow in the dark. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. It's a really pretty orange and gold glitter. So this is what this one looks like. As you could see, it does glow like orange color. Here it's kind of hard to tell with like all the other stuff in the back, but it does glow an orange color, as you could see. And another thing that I do want to mention is that she did come out with other stuff in her spooky collection. So I do also want to mention that she did come out with some bat decals, as well as some other Halloween sticker sheets. So make sure to go check that out if you guys haven't checked out her website. Make sure to go do so if you guys haven't. Like I did mention, she did come out with different sticker sheets as well. She also did come out with other cuticle oil scents, so make sure to go check that out if you guys haven't. Again, this one is pumpkin pie, and I will be smelling it right now, so I'm really excited to see what it smells like. So again, this one is pumpkin pie. I am gonna take off my little thumb so that way I could show you guys what it smells like and what it looks like. Plus, I definitely need some cuticle oil. I haven't nourished my cuticles, but there it came out. So girl, I could smell it just by me putting it on my nail. But I will definitely have to say it smells like pumpkin pie. It smells really good. It also smells, to me, it smells like these Mexican cookies. I'm gonna probably put a picture on the screen if I remember to and put it. But girl, y'all cannot tell me it doesn't smell like these cookies. If you guys have never tasted them, make sure to go do so, because they smell really good. But this is just the pumpkin pie scent and the cuticle oil, so I cannot wait to use this on my clients, since it is fall season and it is Halloween already. So you know, it's right around the corner, so I cannot wait to try that out. Make sure to comment down below if you guys make sure to order. Make sure to comment down below or tag me on Instagram. I love seeing you guys, what you guys get from the websites and stuff. Make sure to tag me in my Instagram, or even comment here on YouTube. Make sure to comment and let me know what you guys buy. But anywho, here is again the pumpkin spice spooky glow collection acrylic. Here we have their cuticle oil. Here we have that glitter that glows in the dark, which love. And again, these are the charms. So these are some ghost charms, and then here we have the little candy ones. And again, this is what these look like. As you could see, super nice. And again, make sure to go get your hands on these, because definitely comment down below if you guys want to see a set on these. I cannot wait to use these. So again, these are the little evil eye females, and then here we have the little glow in the dark stars, little nail sequins. And again, these are some of the stickers as well. Make sure to go put in your order, because you will be getting some freebies. As you could see, this is my freebie, so make sure to go check out and make sure to go buy something from her collection, so that way you guys could go ahead and get some freebies as well. I cannot wait to see. Make sure to, like I said, tag me on Instagram or comment here or any video to let me know what you guys get and what you guys get a freebie as. And again, make sure to go check out her tips if you guys haven't. These are the tips and only tips that I actually use for literally any shape and any length. These are my go-to. I will also make sure to link them down below, so make sure to go check that out if you guys haven't. And also make sure to use my code so that way you guys could go ahead and save some money. And that will be the end to this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Definitely comment down below which item was your favorite from the Spooky collection, and make sure to go check out her website. And also do not forget to check out the description for my last video, which will be linked down below, as well as do not forget to check out any link throughout this video. And also, like I did mention, I will make sure to link down below everything, so make sure to go check that out and use my code so that way you guys could go ahead and save some money and go support her small business. And also do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and I hope that you guys enjoyed, and see you guys in the next one.
Another fatherless child, influenced by the crowd.